I'm Laurelyn Roser, and I'm here with Dudette Decent. And this is a fun new game we're going to show you so you can be better than decent. This new game, called the Djubi Jr, comes with 4 pieces. 2 of these perfect catchers, and 2 of the super fun slingy balls. If you're wondering, how do you even use this thing? It's kind of an interesting shape. To start, this orange part here is where you place all of your 4 fingers in your hand, except your thumb. Your thumb goes right on this orange dot. It gives you the most control when trying to sling. It also is a good grip when you're trying to catch it but don't want to drop it. Now, to actually launch it, you don't want it backfiring and hitting your face. So you take the rubber band part of the ball and you place it right on this notch. Now, you pull back depending on how far you want it to go. If I want it really far, I might pull it that far back. But if I just want it to go a little distance, I'll pull it just a little. It's pretty decent. For this game, there's no certain way you need to catch it. But whatever works best for you is probably fine. Make up your own fun game. On sand, decent. This game is also pretty good on land. That was pretty decent. Wood. You can even play it in the water. Whoops! And the good thing is, it floats. You can even play it with your best friend. That was great, little buddy. Dudette, that was decent. This newfangled game is great for your best friends that are playing. Yeah. You can even do a simple volley where you take a step back every time someone can catch it. Well, that's not very decent.
Let's try it again. Not so decent.
You're gonna have to figure this one out for yourself. Just don't say anything, Mom.
All right.